Hello, friends! Welcome to Phonics Teach. Today, we are going to learn something super exciting. We will learn about the alphabet, vowels, and consonants. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Let's go! Friends, the English alphabet has 26 letters, from A to Z. These are called the alphabet. These 26 letters have two groups. Can you guess what they are? One group is called vowels, and the other group is called consonants. Let's meet them. Look at these special letters. They are glowing. These are called vowels. Vowels. There are only 5 vowels in English alphabet. Say them with me. A, E, I, O, U. Wonderful! Now, let's spot vowels in a word. Let's look at the word apple. Can you help me find the vowels? Yes, great job! In apple, the vowels are A, E. Similarly, pencil. The vowels in the word pencil are E and I. Now remember, we have 26 letters in total. We already found 5 vowels. So how many letters are left? Let's count. 26 minus 5 equals 21. That's right. These 21 letters are called consonants. Consonants. Consonants help us build words and sounds. Without consonants, we can't talk properly. Okay, friends, let's remember what we learned today. The English alphabet has 26 letters. 5 of them are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The other 21 letters are consonants. You are so smart. Great learning today. Now it's quiz time. I will show you a letter. You tell me, is it a vowel or a consonant?
M. Vowel or consonant?
Yes, M is a consonant. I. Vowel or consonant? Correct. I is a vowel. U. Vowel or consonant? Fantastic! U is a vowel. You got them all correct. That was wonderful, friends. Today you learned the alphabet has 26 letters, vowels, and consonants. Keep practicing every day and you'll become an English superstar. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.